Atha Yoga Nusashanam. This marks the beginning of Patanjali's Yoga Sutra and is translated as now the teachings of yoga are presented. Let's better understand the sutra by breaking it up into its constituent words. As we can see, this sutra comprises of three words, that is Atha, Yoga and Anusashanam. The first word Atha represents continuation. But continuation from what? The word Atha indicates that this work is a continuation of pre-existing work, which means the knowledge being presented in this text existed well before Patanjali. So, who then is the originator of this knowledge, if not for Patanjali? This knowledge is actually so ancient that it is very hard to point to any particular person as being its originator. But as per various texts, Hiranyagarbha is figuratively credited to be the originator of this knowledge. Now, Hiranyagarbha could refer to a person or an abstract energy form or even a deity. It is very hard to say for sure. Then comes Yoke, the second word of this sutra. The word Yoke stems from the root word or dhatu, yuj. Yuj dhatu has three different but related meanings. The first and perhaps the most popular meaning is to join. In the context of this text, it refers to joining oneself with the absolute truth. So, how will this joining be achieved? It can be achieved through this control of the sense organs and through contemplation, the various stages of which have been elaborated in the current text. This brings us to all the three different but related meanings of the root word yuj, which is sanyamane, which refers to control, yoge, which means to join, and samadho, which refers to contemplate. Now, moving on to the third and the final word of the first sutra, which is Anusashanam. It consists of the prefix anu and the word sashanam. Here, the prefix anu indicates further, and the word sashanam refers to teachings. Therefore, the word Anusashanam here means further teachings of the pre-existing yoga lineage. Now, as we recollect, the first word Atha was already indicative of the study being a continuation of pre-existing knowledge. And Patanjali reinforces this by ending the sutra with the word Anusashanam. Both the words together suggest that Patanjali has codified the current text on yoga from pre-existing set of teachings and is not the founder of the practice of yoga. Let's now proceed to summarize the first sutra briefly. Atha Yoganusashanam. The first sutra of Patanjali Yoga Sutra indicates this study to be a continuation of the already existing knowledge. It introduces us to the central theme of this text, which is yoga, and that the lineage of yoga predates this text. So, the first sutra delivers the idea about the content of this text. Next, Patanjali introduces us to the definition of yoga in the second sutra, which we will go through in the succeeding video. Till then, stay connected.